Whaatai lau sunga whaaluaina Pritchard, tai nane le lau mua o anga nuu a Asia ma Pasifika mo nei wala aulia. E mua I avel mua I le e au mea umalava, o le e ao o na vi ia, o tātou malu, tātou te no manu iai, ulo nā nganga e taitaina ai, tātou te mau ai, ulo nā lofa tātou te au nā tuai, ulo tātou olo mā losi o ia, tātou te sao ai, tu lou oele atu nu tofi, iau sā mau whai ngā, whaafelo ai atu I lau tau mamalu uma, o lo whaafonga tapua I mai, so se tafo o lau tofi o lau whaasinomanga, o lau wanga nuu ma lau ngangana, e loa ai oe lalulangi, o tū maanga na whaafai lele ai, o lau taiala e whaatonu folau ai, o lau wala I malo, o lau pale e te tiu ai, o le whonga waa e tasi, Asia Pasifika ma lalulangi a toa uma, o lo o folau I vasa nei soifuanga. Tā ua le whaamanatu pēr o nei mea sina, tu mauai ma o atu I tupulanga o le lumanai. Patipati ai nei tau mwhainga mata ngō fie, whaapea la tau uma o lo o whaamaupopo lea whaamoemoe au ngā. O le tatalo ia maua se ai o nei fo I whaatasinga nei tausanga. Ai se I liu I le ngangana o na lea e filongia le mamalu uma o lo o whaafonga tapua I mai. Tā alofa lava. I would like to first thank Whaaluaina Pritchard and the Asia Pacific Cultural Center for the kind invitation to be part of this Heritage Day and help highlight the importance of our culture for our community. Your work is so important to keep our beautiful culture as a vibrant part of the lives of our Samoans in the United States. It's always a pleasure to see our Samoan communities come together in unity. It's especially important that we pass along our culture and our heritage to our youth so that they continue our long-honored values and traditions. We have a beautiful Samoan way, which endures through generations, even in our communities, thousands of miles from our lovely islands, where they can't keep up everything about the island life, and the tropical fruits and flowers don't grow where you are. The most important values remain part of Samoan families and add strength to our people. It's been a great year in American Samoa, where we celebrated the historic 125th Flag Day on April 17th. And I just returned from a trip to all 3 beautiful islands of Manua for their own Flag Day on July 16. My grandchildren were in American Samoa with me over the past few weeks, and they could cheerfully spend all day long, every day in the ocean. It's just a part of them. Our island peoples have a bond with the ocean that stays with us for a lifetime. The Asia Pacific Cultural Center and the activities you host help keep these valuable connections to the culture and the islands themselves. It's just as important that the APCC also shows us the other cultures from all over the vast Asia Pacific, our friends and neighbors, each with unique yet relatable cultures that remind us of our own upbringing, but also show differences that make each place special. I've been blessed since my youth to travel to every corner of the region, and these places have brought so much to my viewpoint and knowledge base over the years. Thank you for these cultural exchanges, and thank you to everyone who takes time to join in or support the effort in any way. You're making a difference. Through these celebrations, our young people can gain insight and have memories refreshed to last a lifetime and be passed down to their children. Please know that should any of you find yourselves in Washington, D.C. or American Samoa, you're always welcome to stop by my office, where our decorations will always be a quick reminder of home. Have a wonderful time celebrating our heritage. God bless you all. God bless these great United States of America. Soifua ma ia manuia.